Hey, this is Matthew Butler. Thank you for purchasing this paint-on animated typeface. To get started, once you download this file, you'll have these four things. The After Effects project, this tutorial that you're watching right now, a characteristic script that I'll be using in this video. It's not required, but it helps with this animated typeface immensely to speed up the process of typing things out. And then the footage folder, which just has all the rendered out files that you can use if you were planning to use this in a different program besides After Effects. So when you open up the After Effects file, you're presented with these folders. The Paint on Typeface, which is just exactly what it is. All the characters that are in here, numbers, punctuation, and all the uppercase letters. This animated typeface type metrics works basically with the characteristic script that I'll be referencing, which is this over here. You really don't need to worry about this because it's already set up. So if you're using characteristic, great. If not, you really don't need this. Elements will be all the video files, and then examples are the two examples that are included with this. The 3D scene, which just has the camera panning along while Paint On types out, and then 40 characters, which is the 40 and then characters below typing on below. So if you're going to use this in your own scene, I'll just set up an example. Set up 920 by 1080, that's fine. And let's say you wanted to write hello. So you get the H, E, L, and O. Just hop in, scale everything down a little. Too far, 3. And just move all these over so you can actually read it. E, O, and you're done. Really easy to use. Just pick the letters, pick punctuation, numbers, whatever you want. Then you can, right click on all these and do a enable time remapping, which makes this, you can make each layer longer. So if you have something on screen for, let's say, 5 seconds and you need them there, you can extend it that way. Also, you could offset these if you want to have it look like it's typing on. Like that. That's just a simple example of how to use this file. It's basically completely up to you how you use these. Another way you can use it is with this characteristic script which I referenced earlier. Basically all you have to do is click Paint on Typefaces, click Set, choose the composition, make sure that's highlighted. Let's change the size to like 300. Stagger time is how long it's offset. Right now at 5 frames is fine. Text, I'm going to have hello, it'll type out. And then you can click this animate button and you'll have a bunch of extra options which will be included. So hello just typed out, much easier. Everything is automatically current basically. And you're all set. Everything's already 5 frames offset. And then you can go back and change if you want it to be staggered longer. So right now I have 11 frames, so every 11th frame the next letter starts. You can change the tracking. So right now it's just left kern, so you can animate the kerning on this. You can change this to 50 and it'll animate from the center, or go to 100 and it'll be animated from the right. Then you also have options like random offset for the animating on, so it's not going to be animated straight from left to right now. Now it's just a little bit of completely random across the frames for up to 27 frames. And then you can change the seed if you wanted it to happen a different way. So this characteristic script is pretty helpful if you're going to be using this typeface, and I would recommend getting it. That's basically it. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.